Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the hidden menu called Connectivity Labs on your Samsung phone to check some data about your Wi-Fi network, specific data like what channel is it hosted on and also the signal strength, and you could use that data to basically change the settings on the router and hopefully improve your Wi-Fi connection or optimize it basically. So let's get started. So to check that info, we need to enter the Connectivity Labs menu on our Samsung phone. And to do that, tap on Settings, go to Connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap on More Options icon, tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi, and here tap on Connectivity Labs. If you're missing this option, because by default it is disabled, you need to enable the Connectivity Labs, and to do that, find this Intelligent Wi-Fi with the number under it and keep tapping on it until Connectivity Labs appears. And once it does, tap on it. And once you open this menu, scroll down and look for the option Wi-Fi Developer Options and tap on it. And here tap on Nearby Wi-Fi Information. And here we have two good graphs we can use to basically check the status of our home network and basically use it to optimize it later on in the router settings. So we have the signal strength. As you can see, the signal strength is quite good because everything above 60 or 50 is very strong signal. And then we have rest of the networks nearby my phone. That's also lists the signal strengths, and as you can see, we have best, good, bad, and worse, and you can check them. Can we see which ones are the ones on the graph? Doesn't show specific names, which is a bit annoying. But basically, the ones with below 60 or 50 are the best, and the ones next to about say 90 is really bad signal, so it's gonna be somewhere here. So I assume this is the one that's here. This one is in the best circle. The ones around 60 will be in the good circle, and the ones around 70-ish will be in the bad circle. Okay, we can also check the channel utilizations, and this is useful if you're having problems with your network. Maybe something is slow, you have a big latency on your network, it's a bit unresponsive. You could try to check the channel on which it's hosted, check how many networks are utilizing which channel, and if you see that your network is on the same channel as a lot of networks, for example, here we have 6 networks on the same channel, I would recommend to change the channel, and hopefully that will solve your problem. And we have 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz, but we don't have any networks right here, so it doesn't show the graph. And you can also see the best channel recommendations for networks, which are decent, but as you can see, channel 6 is being utilized by a few networks already, which probably clutters it a bit. Okay, and once you're done, you can close this menu. And that's about all. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.